largest, most dangerous venomous snake in North America. This snake, one of our favorite Florida natives, is actually found from extreme southeastern North Carolina throughout the coastal plain to extreme southeastern Louisiana, throughout all of Peninsula Florida and many of its barrier islands. Unfortunately, the eastern diamondback has been extirpated in parts of its former range and is in decline in many areas where it was once common. This magnificent reptile is found in a variety of habitats and often coexists with a large number of other species in gopher tortoise burrows. Pine flatwoods and the border areas between upland habitats and low-lying swamp are some of the eastern diamondback's favorite. Diamondbacks feed exclusively on warm-blooded prey, with rabbits, rats, and squirrels all being normal parts of an adult's diet.
Looking at it, that's probably like $300.
The eastern diamondback is capable of injecting huge amounts of a very toxic venom. A serious bite by this snake to an adult, or even worse, to a child, can rapidly be fatal if not treated promptly and properly with antivenom. The Reptile Discovery Center and the Toxin Venom Laboratories work closely with one or two other institutions, providing this venom for the anti-venom project in North America.
Look at how much venom and some of it went on the grass.
Diamondback rattlesnakes are delicate
Again, I would at least put on a glove.
Extreme care.
I mean, I know it has to
Yeah.
get, but that's just me.
Yeah.
I know it has
Even
to
if you
get
drink it, it's like, it's not gonna taste good.
I know it has to get in your blood,
The toxin is always in need of the species, and we work diligently on our captive breeding program, hoping to ensure a stable and productive colony of eastern diamondbacks.
He's like, hey, what the heck? I was just sitting here.
I'm gonna get you.
So strong.
Yeah. I mean, I imagine that bite doesn't feel good either.
Nope.
Even without the venom.
He's angry.
I want to play. Ooh.